What is up, y'all? It's your girl Brianna Christine. I'm back at you with another video, and today we are doing another wig review. Hopefully y'all are excited for this unit. I know I am excited to review this unit. Don't forget this video a thumbs up if you're feeling this content that I'm giving you. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, your baby mamas, your baby daddies, whatever the case may be. Make sure you share it with everybody. Don't forget to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much. I am Brianna Christine. It's so nice to meet you. So nice to have you here. Everyone that has been rocking with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. Love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. All right, let's get into this video. I have decided to go ahead and try another Outre wig. So this is their Perfect Hairline series. This unit is Katya, or people have said so many different names. I'm gonna call her Katya, okay? She has HD transparent lace. There's the high resistant fiber, so she's heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can go ahead and use your hot comb, your flat iron, curling iron, blow dry, whatever the case may be. Don't go up to 400. You should be good under it, but if anything, don't go to 401, okay? Unless you want bald spots up in here, and we don't need you looking bald, baby. We need you looking good, all right? So don't burn your wig, okay? And I copped her in the color Havana Brown. I was so excited to see this color, and I was so excited to get this color. It's giving me ginger brown, but just the ginger part. Does that make any sense? Like, it pretty much is lighter. Ginger brown has some, you know, brown, dark brown, black, whatever going on, roots and all that. No, this is just from root to tip. This is like a nice, like, light color. I don't know how to describe it, but I love this color. I'm obsessed with it. It is beautiful. It is perfect, okay? So I'm here for it. The wig does come in a variety of other colors, and this wig does have the faux scalp effect. We'll get to that in just a moment. But besides that, I'm feeling this. So you can get this in, you know, the 1, the 1B, and they have a variety of colors. So it's up to you to choose whatever you want. But I have to say, they need to make some more wigs with this Havana Brown. Outre. Yo, Outre. Yo, Outre. I need y'all to go ahead and make some more wigs in this Havana Brown, okay? Just make sure that every new wig, because y'all be putting out new wigs like every week, be trying to make people, you know, go broke. I need y'all to start doing this Havana Brown all the time, okay? All right. So this unit, I want to say it comes down past my boobies or to my boobies. So that's what it's looking like. I am, you know, a little tall baby girl, so if you are shorter than me, then you should be all set to go. All right, the hair alone, when I first put it on before I cut off the lace, it felt so good. You can really get away with trying to make this seem like a human hair wig, whatever. So you could go ahead and lay this down with some adhesive, some gel, some Got2b or whatever. Go ahead and pluck if you need to, slick them baby hairs, tint your lace, you're gonna be set. But all I did was just cut the lace. I cut the faux scalp, y'all. I'm sorry. That faux scalp was no. The faux scalp is a no. You know why the faux scalp is a no? Because this unit has baby hairs and all that type of stuff, and it's plucked. Can't have that faux scalp. It just looks like a huge line of demarcation. I had to take it out, okay? So I would say that was not fun. So I did take out the faux scalp, which is just pretty much like another extra, like, it was almost like having a cap, a bald cap inside the wig. I just cut the lace in the front, and I tinted the lace with Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder in the color Mocha 360. This lace is super light, so you know, keep that in mind for any chocolate babies. It's super light. We got another light one, y'all, so just make sure you're ready to tint, okay? So I did purchase this wig off of wigtypes.com. The wig is $44.94 with no specialty colors. If you do happen to want to get a specialty color like this Havana Brown, that will be extra $2. So I purchased this wig for $46.94. So pretty much it's a $47 wig. You round up a couple bucks, it's a $50 wig. All right, y'all, this is what $50 could get you. And I would say I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad that I spent $50 on it. So we'll say that, but hold on 1 second. Hold on. Get your notes, okay? We about to put some notes, okay? So there is 6 inches of parting here, and then it goes around 13 inches, but it's only up to a certain degree that you will be able to, you know, show your scalp part, you know what I mean? Give scalpiana. But the rest of it is like any typical, you know, synthetic unit. There's gonna be holes and stuff like that in the back, so keep that in mind. It is a bit thin back here, so keep that in mind when you're doing any of your hairstyles, that you wanna make sure that you're covering those tracks in the back. I first put this unit on before I cut the lace. The unit did not tangle, did not shed, did not do any of that. As soon as I cut that full scalp out, it was a whole nother story. It was tangling, it was matting, it was shedding. I ended up accidentally putting holes in it, like, y'all. So definitely keep that in mind when you get this unit. You most likely will be getting some shedding, some tangling, some matting, just because one, of the texture of the unit, it is a thick unit, and 2, because it is still synthetic, and 3, you're messing with what's already sewn in, so you taking that out and disrupting that is going to cause the unit to shed. I didn't see anything crazy, but you know, the more that you play with it and stuff like that, it may shed more. So I would say I wasn't happy about that. I would say that this unit most likely is going to be very versatile. I'm excited to see different things that I could do with this. When I took up the full scalp, it's still lace all in here, so pretty much all they did was just put like another like wig cap or something like that on top. So as long as you tint your lace, you'll be fine. You can still do all the stuff that you needs to do, but I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. So this is the unit up close, and as you see, you can part it anywhere and you are good to go. So if you wanted to cut bangs in this unit, you wanted to do a half up, half down, whatever you wanted to do, a middle part, a side part, a zigzag part, whatever, you are good to go. So let's go over the pros and the cons. So the pros, I love the color, I love the texture, I love it right out of the package, how it feels. I love the, you know, the baby hairs and the plucking. Like if you don't want to do any extra like plucking and stuff like that, you are good to go. So that was perfect. I love the length of the unit. You could say that you can, if you wanted to, like trim the ends, but they didn't look crazy. It's big head friendly, so I'll definitely give them that. Kudos to them for that. Now let's jump into these cons, because I gotta keep it a buck with y'all. For one, okay, so the size of the cap, it actually is still really big on my head, okay? So, and I'm not saying that to be funny. This is a really big wig, okay? Like this cap is huge. I don't know if maybe I just got a really huge cap on my wig. I even tied it super tight and it was still super loose. It kept falling back and it made my wig cap fall off. It was a hot mess. 2, that full scalp was not hitting for me. That full scalp was not giving me scalpiana. That was giving me I'm looking crazy Anna, okay? That was an extra tedious step. I had to take it out. The issue with taking it out is that you are going to be more inclined to end up putting holes in your unit. I'm not happy about that, so just keep that in mind. Be very careful and gentle when you're taking out the full scalp, because also I had to take out the full scalp. Unit started to shed and tangle and all that stuff, so that I was not happy about that either. The lace color was super light for me, you know, light bright, so we'll have to keep on working on that lace just to make sure it's not giving us, you know, like I bleached the mess out of my scalp. So besides that, is it worth $50? You already purchased the wig, you can make it work. You know, this is a beautiful wig, it's versatile, you can do a lot of different hairstyles with it, but because you're not spending the money, that's also where you get a little bit of the issues. But this is a wig that you just can't wear all the time because it's gonna shed, it's gonna mangle, it's gonna tangle, it's gonna give you a headache, and it still has a lot of texture in it, so you don't want it to just get out of hand. You can definitely make this unit look like some $300 hair, okay? So that is a good thing about it, but just keep those little things in mind when you are purchasing this wig. So I wouldn't say go ahead and just throw $50 out if you don't have it like that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Y'all ain't gonna curse me out because y'all spent $50 and you like, bruh, I done put holes in it. This scalp ain't for me. It ain't hitting. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm letting you know you could purchase it, but it ain't going, you're gonna have to put some work into it, all right? So if you want to put the work into it, go ahead and purchase it. It's up to you. If you already purchased it, you could make it work. I'm telling you, just put a little elbow grease in it. It'll be beautiful. Alright, so I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below if you will be purchasing Miss Katya or Katya, and if you have purchased her, what did you think about this video? Let me know. Go ahead down below and comment what you got to say. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure your notification bell is on. This way, every time I post a new video, you know to come right back here and hang out with your girl, Brianna Christine. Don't forget to share this video with your baby mama, your baby daddies, your girlfriends, whoever, okay? Make sure that you're sharing it with them, okay? All right, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.